couple of videos ago, I was stood right underneath the oldest and the first cast iron bridge ever in the world. Back in the 1770s, that thing was cast, built and opened up for people to walk over and ride their horses and carts and the rest of it over. So it's pretty much within a year or two as old as the United States itself. Now here I am today, 5 miles up the road, and if you go 1700 years, that's 1,700 years back in time, I'm on the site, or next to the site, of the fourth largest Roman city in this country. That's the Wrekin over there. What did the Romans ever do for us? Apart from wine, sewerage, roads. Always look on the bright side of life, eh? Right, that's enough Monty Python. 1700 years. Crazy. Right, sod all this history. Let's go ride the bike. Of course, that's 1700 years between this, the Roman settlement of Viriconium, and the Iron Bridge. It's cracking on in the direction of 2,000 years between this and the here and now. That's just crazy. Right, let's go ride the bike. Maybe a coffee somewhere, don't know. What have I done to the bike? Well, apart from a bit of maintenance, you know, check the chain, the tyres, the usual stuff. Not a huge amount. Lovely day today, but very windy. Well, more breezy than windy, but it's blowing me around a little bit. Still, it's dry and it is pretty warm, to be honest. A lot of dodgy junctions along this road. You've got to keep your eyes peeled. The lies in your arse, basically. Well, I've got nobody behind me at the moment. Now, I'm not a million miles away from having owned this bike for a year. And I've noticed that the really popular videos on YouTube seem to be reaction videos, reviews, that sort of thing. So I might just go against the grain. I don't normally do reviews because nobody gives me anything to review. Everything that you see and hear is owned by me. But I might actually do a a brief, well, a brief year of ownership thing. Most of it you already know about because it's been covered in all the videos I've done. Tell you what, it's a bumpy old road, this one is. Now, we did have a lot of rain a couple of days ago, and a bit further on this road, it's well known for it. The water runs off, it's sloping uphill to my left, and the water and all the crap runs off the fields and onto the road. So you got to be a little bit careful because it can get mighty slippery. So I'm not going to be a hero today. I'm actually heading back towards the Iron Bridge now, but I'm not going to go past it. Now there's a pub on the right here, if ever you're out this way, that used to be a mill. It's called the Mill, and if you go inside it, there's a bloody big working water wheel in there. I need to get these teeth in straight. Not doing a pub until I've locked the bike up though, so we won't be going in there today. Now I'm riding along the edge of the Severn Valley. So off to my right, the River Severn is meandering along on its way from Wales down towards the Iron Bridge. I don't know whether I'll get a glimpse of it, whether I can show you a glimpse. It's down there. And I think I mentioned in a video a couple of videos ago that it's the longest river in the UK. There it is, the River Severn, meandering its way up the valley. The Severn Valley, strangely enough. Now around this corner, this is where it does like to run off the fields. You can see some of the crap on the roads. But we're dry today, so we can go for it. So I'm probably going to take the boring route, just keep going in a straight line, which will eventually lead me to a dual carriageway, and then up to my the usual stop for a coffee, which is Greg's, which is right in the middle of an industrial estate on a Friday afternoon. I'm not sure whether that's a good idea or not. I'm not too far away from it, so no harm in trying, and I could just do it with a coffee. There we go, that big sign up there says Iron Bridge, the Iron Bridge, turn right where that coach is going. But we did that the other day, so you don't need me to do that again. Bloody hell, this road is rough. And this hill I'm going up is the side of the Severn Valley. Very deep valley.